What's up, guys? This is Benjamin, aka Mickey Mouse, cause I'm having a real bad cold right now, as you probably um, are able to hear. Um, and just to make your day really crappy too, I decided that today's tutorial is going to be on a subject you might found very boring. Um, this tutorial is going to be on calculations. So yep, let's get right into it and get bored. First of all, create a new source file, enter the basic information, basic data, and just to recap the alphabet real quick, create 4 doubles, A, B, C, and D, and D doesn't need a value right away, but it does down here. So type D equals A slash B plus C star 100 slash A. What this actually does is that it'll assign a new value to D, and the value that it assigns to D is 101 divided. That's what the slash mean. That's the divide modifier. So now it says 101 divided with 8 plus 9 multiplied with 100 divided with 101. That's the result of D now, and yeah, you might think that's a little bit confusing, but let's try and print it out. Cout D, and again, we're going to hit the compile and run button right here. Save this file as calculations, and I see that I already created that file. Don't know why. Anyway, I'm just going to override it. And now, as you see, it says 21.5359, and that's the reason we're using doubles. Double. A, B, C, and D are all doubles here. And the reason we're using that is that so now it'll also print the decimal numbers. So if you change all of these to int variables, try and compile run it slash hit F9. Now it just says 20 because now it doesn't get the decimal numbers in. Um, so yeah, that's why we're using double, because we want the pretty decimal numbers too. But also you can plus calculations with each other. I'm going to show you that right now. So erase these variables right here. Also erase this. Now we're going to declare a value down here called and it's going to have the data type int. We're going to call it length. We're going to set it equal to 40, and then we're going to have a new int called total length. And like D, that's kind of like the result of the calculation we will get. So that doesn't need a value right away, but it does down here. So now we say total length. Whoops, spelled it wrong. Total length equals length plus length divided with 2. Now print out total length, and hit the compile run button right here. And now it says 60. And do you have any idea why it says 60? That's because of that. we create a new variable right here, length, and its value is 40, and then we got a new variable down here, total length, and it has an undefined value so far, but down here we define a value to it, and the value that we define to it is length, which is 40 plus 40, so that will be 80, but 40 divided with 2 is 20, so actually it'll say um, total length equals 40 plus 20. And also, if you don't want to use any numbers at all, you can go with something like create an int called divide, set equals 2, and then slash divide down here. And that's actually the same thing. So hit F9, and now it compiles, still gives you the same result. And yup, actually that's your I suppose real quick tutorial on variables, no, calculations, sorry. I don't know if I've been boring or interesting. Actually, that's like kind of mental thing. But I suppose our next tutorial will be more interesting. Because our next tutorial is going to be about something called user inputs, and I suppose that user inputs are something that you might find very interesting if you know what it does. If not, then it's very important that you follow along my next tutorial and learn what it does. Actually, even though you might know what an if statement and the lower level application, like you may know, I'd like you to just see them all still, because I like some views. Okay, it's not on that. It's because that it's important to me that you know what I've been saying in all tutorials. So see you.